starting day with the lukewarm water is a ritual for me. I'm using Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, and I must say this has to be my top most acne prevention face wash, and मेरे को कभी भी acne की problems touchwood नहीं हो पाई because I think मैं थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख लेती हूँ अपनी skin का. And yeah, so this is the one. So guys, I have had bath and the next thing is to moisturize, and I have been using Biotique's Bio Nectar moisturizer lately, and I've been loving this moisturizer, and I have emptied this bottle, this one, and now I have ordered badi wali bottle. So yeah, I'll just moisturize. इतनी सी quantity. It is literally magic in a bottle. I've used Pond's moisturizer also, नया जेल वाला, and बहुत सारे moisturizers यूज़ किए मैंने, but इतने affordable price पे ऐसा moisturizer is rare. So the final step is sunscreen, and I've been using Photo Stable sunscreen Immugel, and this was prescribed by my dermat, and I do not want to just skip on this. And yeah, so she told me that 3 drops of sunscreen are enough. Earlier I used to use my Lotus ka sunscreen, this one, but she told me that it contains some foundation and ये डेली मत ही लगाओ तो बेटर है. इसको मैं तभी अप्लाई करती हूँ जब मेरे को कहीं जाना हो और मुझे थोड़ी सी मैट फिनिश चाहिए हो, बट रेगुलरली मैं इसे ही यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड ऑन माई IGTV मेनी ऑफ यू वर आस्किंग मी ऑन DMs कि आप सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या लगा रहे हो, तो यही था जो मैं बहुत सारा भर भर के लगा रही थी अपने फेस पे, जो मेरा सॉफ्ट ग्लैम मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव नॉट फॉलोड मी ऑन Instagram, डू फॉलो मी देयर बिकॉज आई अपलोड मेकअप एंड स्टाइलिंग टिप्स देयर एज वेल. एंड उसका हैंडल मैं यहाँ पे कहीं दे दूँगी. दिस इज प्रिटी मच इट फॉर द रेगुलर रूटीन ऑफ माई स्किन केयर इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड इसके बाद आज सच में कुछ करती नहीं, बट या वन थिंग इज लेफ्ट हियर, लिप्स की मॉइस्चराइजिंग, छोटू सी वैसलीन. Hi guys, so this is the evening routine, or you can say a night routine, which I'll be following. As you know that I am fond of kajal, and so yeah, this is the smudged kajal, and by the end of the day my lipstick just gets bit idhar se udhar, or my kajal also just goes here and there, so just cleanse my face. And of course you can do this with face wash, but what I'll be doing is, so I'll use a mild cleanser. This is by Ayur, and I'll just massage it all over my face. Okay, a tissue or a cotton pad. So this would just not make my skin dry, because in winters when we directly do the face wash technique, then my skin feels very dry. And so this is the technique which I follow. And after this, of course, for our second step, if you have applied some BB cream or foundation in the morning, then of course you can use the micellar water. So I'm going in with the Garnier micellar water. एंड आई हैव नोटिस्ड कि अगर कभी मैंने नहीं भी मेकअप यूज़ किया और मैं मिसेलर वाटर लगाती हूँ, तो स्किन से कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज़ तो बाहर आ जाती हैं. तो लाइक इट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ क्लेंजर. एंड या अगर थोड़ा सा भी कुछ लगाया आपने अपने फेस पे, तो यू कैन यूज़ दिस. देयर इज़ नो हार्म इन यूजिंग मिसेलर वाटर. सो आफ्टर माई फेस इज़ फुल्ली क्लेंस्ड and you cannot see any of the impurities from the naked eyes, of course. So I'll just move one step ahead. and use my essential oil, frankincense essential oil by Nykaa. Get a cotton towel or a cotton bowl, or so I'll just wet the towel and apply it on the affected areas, of course, where I have the pore issues. So yeah, you can have various essential oils for various skin problems. So yeah, that's that. And after that, the last step for the night care routine is that I'll moisturize my lips and my elbow and the stuff like that, jahan pe you feel the dryness. My personal choice for the lips is of course the ghee, and you can always like this and something like that. And for the moisturization, I'm using this, the Biotique Bio Nectar. So yeah, that's that. This was all for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and this was a request from one of my subscriber that I should just tell my skincare routine, because winters may we all have been facing the dryness, and you guys wanted me to make this video. So yeah, I am there for you, and please write in the comments down below अब next video आप कौन सी देखना चाहेंगे. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon to never miss a video from my channel, and we'll meet soon in the next video, and I love you guys.